Here are some techniques to solve the middle layer. First, we can swap two edges by rotating the front face 180 degrees. Then we need to restore the bottom face by rotating top and bottom 180 degrees. Then rotating the back face 180 degrees. Then rotate the bottom back into position. If we want to move one edge, we can rotate the side with edges that we don't care about 180 degrees. Then rotate the bottom and top 90 degrees. Then rotate the front face 180 degrees. If an edge piece is on the top layer, we move it to align with its center piece color. Then we look at which side it needs to move to and rotate it away from that side. Then rotate the side up and move the white corner piece to the back. Then rotate the side back down to pair the corner with our edge. Now move this pair to the back. Rotate the front to bring up the corner position. Then rotate the top to put the white corner back in position. And rotate the white pieces back into place. Here is another example moving a green edge into position. In this example, a piece is in the correct place but misaligned. Now we will swap it with an edge piece from the top layer, and then we will move it back into place.